Hey everyone, welcome here. Are you seriously looking to learning Python programming language without having any IT background? Due to non-IT and I don't have how to write coding and where to start, how to start. Do you think is there any one-stop solution for learning all the concepts to making master in programming language, that is trending programming Python? So are you serious about it and want to really interested to learn from scratch? This video is for you. So learning Python is a very super easy when you are making a concentration on a specific subject. So learning programming language taking a step-by-step process using artificial intelligence techniques, either Chatgpt, bardai or Bing or any other AI technology which you are more familiar. So learning to start a basic fundamentals you have to begin with. This it will take you once you understand very keenly how to write code, how to start, how to run, and what the variables, what the conditional statements. This step-by-step process you need to begin with learning of theoretical part and applying these real-time examples by taking artificial intelligence promptings, the making a questions to your Chatgpt or any other OpenAI technique to getting an information and applying these to a practical oriented way. This learning will really help you to make you master quickly using any of Chatgpt such a tools. Yes, don't fear about it due to non-IT background and want to try to learn programming language such as Python. You start today. And also if you want to try how to kick ass with online course, want to try more, find the below link. I'm sharing a great online course for you to anytime, anywhere, self-paced practice by you. Try today.